Hi, my name is Faith Jones. I'm 17 and I've been a young carer for as long as I can remember. We're looking for a new outreach worker, and an outreach worker would be involved in talking with young carers, in group work and also trip planning and in schools. There have been times I can remember when things have been really tough for me at home, and going to the groups and talking to outreach workers has helped so much. And the things that stood out to me most is outreach worker who can listen, and someone who doesn't judge anything that you've done or that's going on, someone who's empathetic. And I think that's the most important thing for an outreach worker, someone who can communicate with people from all ages, whether they're 6 or 7 years old or whether they're 17, 18. And this job needs to go to somebody who can do that, who shows good leadership, who's good with teamwork, somebody who is just able to listen and who actually cares. There's so many amazing, exciting things about this job. You get to go to so many cool places. There's been festivals that we go to every year, which is amazing, so fun for the staff and the young carers. There's been trips around to Liverpool, trips ice skating, so you get to do so many fun things. And it's also very funny watching people fall over while ice skating, so that's another bonus.